you burning out my address, G? Where are we going?
I don't know.
What are we doing? Why are you at my house?
We need to get out the house.
No, I was perfectly comfortable in bed.
You need to get this money, G.
I already made enough money, G. I don't need any more. Let's go spend money. Let's go to Beverly Hills.
Do I need a haircut?
Yeah, desperately. Alright guys, you can see Nick is on my pad. And I don't know what we're gonna do. There might be a meet later tonight if you want to go. We can go.
I'm over meets.
Yeah, me too. I'm over them too, but you guys will probably see the meet later in the vlog. Who should I make a video with next?
Kim Kardashian.
Imagine? Oh, for sure, going viral.
Would you do it?
Hell yeah. Alright.
Where should we go?
I don't know.
What should we do, G?
Let's just kill some time before the meet later. So we'll figure something out.
Bro, I'm trying to get a tattoo. You guys want to know? This is the idea I have.
Oh, I thought you were trying to go right now.
We could go right now.
Say you're gonna.
Look at.
What are you trying to convince me to get
So
one?
this is like Hercules. You see? See? So I'm thinking that, like right here, right?
It's kind of different.
Like right here, right? Something like this. Cause I think I have to like match like the Greek tattoo. So I put one right here. Look how ashy I look. It doesn't even look black. But I put that right here, and on top of the globe,
My name?
put like Nipsey's "The World Is Mine" right there on top of the
that'd be
globe.
cool.
So I'm like combining like Nipsey's tattoo, like the "World Is Mine" tattoo that he has with the globe, with Hercules holding it, and the world is mine on top. No one better steal my idea. Nobody wants to. I think it'll be hard though.
Oh,
no?
yeah,
The world is mine right here.
Yeah, that'd be cool.
I want to do
Like
this
what?
one. What do you think, G? What does your vlog think?
What do you guys think?
Look, I want to get this exact tattoo.
Prolific?
Yeah, the exact prolific tattoo that you have.
I don't know if you guys know Nipsey Hussle, but
The exact
right there.
prolific tattoo, I want to put that right here.
you're gonna actually go on the face?
Yeah, bro, I would do it.
You're crazy, bro.
Where are we going, G?
I hate BMWs.
I don't know where I'm going. I'm busting a Kevin.
Yeah, you're deep fried. Alright. I don't know what we have planned. Nick picked me up. I think we might stop by 412, which I haven't been in a long time. I haven't said what's up to the guys in a long time.
February 5th. Locked in, G. New tattoo.
Can I go with you?
You should come.
I want to.
What?
Individual F80 M3 with the peanut butter interior. What's up, G? Supra, nice little lineup. This is a nice F80. I don't even know what color this is, but oh, I think is this San Marino blue? It's nice. Competition. Then we got Nick's F80. It's clean. Out here at 412. Let's check out what they got. The brand new X5M. Damn, that shit is so nice. Look at that. Brand new 2024 X5M. You guys like the X5M more or the X6M? I think I like the X6M just a little bit more. But what do you guys think about the new front end? Look at that. That's crazy. All the carbon up here. Shit nice. They got the GT4 RS. They got the E63S. They got a bunch of cars that they're working on, but they always got crazy cars in the shop. They got the McLaren Artura. They got a Huracan Evo getting wrapped. They got a F90 M5. A lot of crazy cars.
I was like, are you making me walk?
Nah, I got confused. I thought it was somewhere back there.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. You excited for this car meet? All right, guys. So we're gonna go check out this.
The heater.
Yeah, my bad.
No, you're
It's
good.
cold, huh?
It is. But I also like the windows rolled down, so it's a lovely relationship.
All right. So I passed by, and it was packed. Bro, this meet is crazy.
I brought
What?
a big water bottle, so every time you like left, I go boom like on the floor.
The next spot.
People who can't afford an exhaust.
This is crazy. All right, should we go to the next spot for real? You want to go?
We need to call.
Hey.
Damn. Well, okay, so I mean,
New
call
spot, guys.
Kevin.
New spot.
Hi, was that you? Oh.
Tell her to hurry. Oh, they reunited. They reunited.
No, rev it for the one time.
Rev it, rev it.
Do it.
AMG, AMG.
AMG. Where's that?
That shit hard, huh?
She's down.
Bro, there's so many cars. We came to another spot, and yeah, you can tell it's crazy packed over here. Damn, Nikon, you're a twin, G. Both frozen white, both CCBs, both on buckets. That is crazy, guys. That is something you do not see every day. Why do you hate me now? You really unfollowed me? I haven't checked my IG.
Unfollowed Kevin.
Why?
Because you're fake, G.
Why?
Ignore me, and
You know why? Because we're supposed to.
that's fun.
I had 2 girls in the passenger seat.
That's my passenger seat, G.
You got jealous, G?
Yeah.
Damn. 2
Rock?
Nardo.
Nardo.
Bro, they look like.
more metallic. It's more metallic.
Oh, really?
More of like a lighter greenish. It almost has like a green blue in a way.
That's crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. That is crazy.
Look right away and be like, come on, look at those tires, look at that setup. That's
How does he get it? Yeah, I don't know how he gets away with that.
Free, exhaust, no cats, like the whole one. What?
That is crazy.
We're giving tickets out, especially curfew tickets.
Curfew tickets?
Let's go home to mommy and daddy before you get a ticket and I have you come in.
No way! No way she said that. No way she said that, guys. She literally said we're gonna give out curfew tickets. Hey, that was funny. Oh my gosh, this meat got so freaking crazy, guys. It is insane.
Get out of here.
They're trying to kick everybody out of here, but I don't think that's gonna happen, guys. Look at them doing shit over there. Oh my gosh, bro. They're literally trying to make everybody leave. There's no way. What the? That's crazy. Huh? Frozen white F90 M5. Sheesh. That shit nice, bro.
Told you it's PPF.
PPF? No way.
That ain't no frozen G.
PPF?
And rich for you.
No
bro.
way. Keys to the Maybach? Rich?
That's your homie.
Rich?
Yeah.
Bro. These are smoked out in the rain, bro. What's up, bro? How are you?
Catless full exhaust.
That shit sounds crazy. Oh my gosh, bro. That's just sick. Individual, white buckets, sick ass G82 right there. All over Nick's Underglow. Yeah, guys, the meat's just too crazy. We're gonna bounce now, I think. We're gonna head out.
And I came to my car, I popped the hood right out, and the fucking there's like white stuff.
What the? Look who pulled up. Rich, Rich, Rich. How are you? Damn. Look who it is. M4. There's. Look who it is. Oh my. Even the helicopters came, guys. All right, we're about to head out of here because it's crazy over here. Rich, 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 Rich. All right, guys. We have made it to Anita's Gelato. Oh. Oh my gosh. Why is there so many?
I thought it was gonna be less.
Come on, G. We're at the best spot. Look at that. Damn, this look bomb. Oh my gosh. That looks so. Why are you teasing me? Oh my. What happened to my ice cream?
Look what you did.
My gelato.
It's really the best. I'm not gonna lie. Bro, we come here too much.
I know. We're obsessed with this place.
Probably like.
Nah, you're tripping. The best flavor is the pavlova and the coconut. Oh my
This
god.
is it. This is nice.
So good. So bomb, huh?
That's
Wow. Yes, sir.
Wow. How many scoops is that?
Damn, 2.
No, 1 half
Oh,
cup.
my bad.
That's one scoop.
That's the small.
Thank you. Wow, look at that.
Okay.
Damn, you guys want to taste? Rich, 2 McLarens. Big ballers. Alright guys, big shout out to the homie Ben. He made these sick ass t-shirts, M3 generations. I don't know if you guys saw it on Instagram, TikTok, it went pretty viral. They got every generation of M and he made it into a shirt and there's a little backstory to it. And let me see the front. That's sick. If you guys want to cop some merch, hit him up. He's making some sick ass t-shirts and more merch is on the way as well. So thanks Ben. And he's got the sticker too. Look at that. Sick. We got to do it with all the GTSs or all the Lime Rocks.
We're doing that.
That would
We're
be
doing
sick.
that. Soon, soon.
All right, let's do it. What's up, G?
How does a girl like my car?